In response to the advent of the 5G, 6G generation, our demand for mobile communication filter performance has increased significantly. The filtering performance of zinc oxide and lead zirconium titanate materials used in traditional 3G, 4G filters can no longer meet the higher frequency signal filtering requirements. Therefore, scandium-doped aluminum nitride material with fast longitudinal wave sound velocity and high thermal stability is the first choice for popular materials at present. In order to prepare excellent scandium-doped aluminum nitride thin films, the performance of the corresponding raw material, aluminum-scandium alloy target material, is very important. At present, scandium-doped aluminum nitride piezoelectric thin film materials have been accepted. It has gradually replaced lead zirconium titanate, and zinc oxide filters have become mature products and are used in the communication field. This project is expected to produce aluminum-scandium alloy targets that meet the technical specifications of international index manufacturers through the development of technologies such as synthesis, purification, and target manufacturing methods.